Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do the review, my review and wear test on the new Maybelline Urban Cover Dream Maybelline foundation. I guess I'm fine. I'm going out, going to the movies, so I'm like, let me just do the review and wear test on that foundation because I really want to know, because I love anything that has SPF to protect your skin from the sun, all that good stuff. Things about it, I love the fact that it has SPF 50. SPF 50 is very important to have SPF 50 in your face and your skin at all times to protect you from the sun, the rays, all that good stuff. So I'm really happy and I'm so excited to try this foundation out. So this foundation claims to be lightweight, full coverage, has SPF 50, enriched with antioxidant to protect against pollution, and also has 16 different shades. I wish I had more variety of shades, but I mean, 16 is still good enough. I mean, it could have a little bit more, but it was kind of confusing because it had like when I went looking for it, I didn't realize that it goes from, like, it feels like it went from dark to light instead of light to dark. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but yeah. So I think this is a good foundation. I've seen like I saw Juicy Jazz as well review and she loved it. And I'm like, oh my god, I want to review it so bad because I'm like, man, I'm all for affordable foundations and drugstore foundations. I love Maybelline. Matter of fact, Maybelline is good. I love that product. So I can't wait to try. It was very affordable. I got it for $10.98 at Walmart. 11 bucks. You can't beat that. But I guess you can have it. You can find it in Ulta too. I think for like 13 bucks. A little pricey, so I'd rather recommend just go get it at Walmart. So I picked mine up at Walmart. I picked it up in the shade 220, natural beige, and also in porcelain 110. Only because if this one is a little dark, then I can kind of mix it with this one and kind of make my perfect shade. So it's okay to mix both shades together and make your perfect shade. So yeah, these I already announced it in my Walmart haul that I just recently had, and yeah, so I'm finally gonna try them. I can't wait. So I'm gonna try this foundation with the same everyday products that I use, which is my moisturizer, primer, all that good stuff, just the same thing. So I know, because I know these products will work on my skin, I don't want to try something else or a different primer with the foundation because then I'm not giving it a fair shot. I want to try it with the things that I use every single day. So instead of me blabbing away, let's just jump right into the video. With a sponge and the other side with a brush, so we can see how it applies with a sponge and a brush and which one we think is better. My primer, so I'm gonna spray some of this Revolution Pro Base Aqua Primer Base, which I really like this primer. It's really with this alone or with makeup. Oh my god, it smells so good, guys. Like, it smells so good. So yeah, this foundation, I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna wear it, and then I'll check in with you guys and we can see how it works. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand just to see. It is a little bit liquidy, but let's see. It smells like more like sunscreen, but not really strong, you know. No, I think this one is a perfect shade for me. Going with the natural beige. And let's begin. So I'm gonna do this side with the sponge and then this side with the brush. So let's do this. Let's apply. I mean, I like it. It feels really lightweight. It's like easy to blend. It's like easy to blend. Wow, okay. Yes, it is really easy to blend. But you see how I have like a little, like some blemishes, and you can still see right through my blemish. Pretty sure you could build it up. I mean, it smells good. It doesn't smell bad. Okay, so you see right there, like, I love the coverage. It's nice. But this, if I didn't have any like little blemishes, I think it would be perfect. But you see how I have that blemish right there. So yeah, I think I can go like another layer. Let's just see, because I want to see how it goes, how it blends with also the brush. Sorry guys, I have like my mirror right here. I really like it though. It's like really lightweight, doesn't feel heavy. Sorry if you hear any voices, guys. It's little kids that be playing outside. Look at that. I mean, right off the back, you can kind of see, you know, all the redness. Oh my God, that's driving me crazy, guys. Like, I've never had so much like that. But you see already, like this side, and then this side. Sponge. I want to really see. I'm so intrigued to see which one applies better. But it's really nice, like really easy to blend. It's not like, I feel like some foundations they dry too fast, so you have to kind of go really fast. This, no, I don't feel that way. I feel like it gives me time to blend it. I mean, I like putting everything with my sponge. There's certain foundations that I like to put with a foundation, but there's some that I like to use with a sponge. So see, I don't know, I can't tell the difference. But yeah, I think with a brush it is a little bit more full coverage. Yeah. But it is a lightweight formula, really nice. It is buildable. I think you can pull it to full coverage. So it's like medium to full coverage. Natural, it gives it like a natural look to your skin. Is not, so I mean, I really like it. It's really light. Like, I feel like I have nothing on my face. Like, I feel like with the sponge you get a natural medium to sheer look, and then with this brush I think you get a little bit more coverage. So right off the back is really lightweight, nice. I feel like you can do a little bit more coverage with using a brush versus using your sponge. I feel like with the sponge is nice as well, but you just get like more sheer natural, and then with the brush you can get more full coverage off of it if you can, like more coverage. See these little guys peeking through though. See those guys peeking through. I'm not gonna like put more because I just don't want it to look cakey or anything like that. So far I love it. The sheer, the color, I like it. Really not, I feel like that color to 20 is actually my perfect shade. And I got this from Juicy Jobs because I'm like, me and her are kind of similar. And when I went, I literally, guys, cannot decide what color I was. I was like, oh my God, let me just pick two colors. But I'm really glad I picked the 220 because it matches perfect. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go do my makeup, the rest of my makeup, and I will come back as soon as I'm done with my full face. Yeah, so I'm back. My makeup is done. So I wanted to tell you guys that the foundation is amazing. I love this foundation. It's like nice, and you can still see a little bit of my blemishes, but not that bad, you know. It's not like real crazy, but I love the way it is. It's nice and smooth. It's smooth, it's lightweight, it doesn't feel heavy on my face. I don't feel like I have a full face of makeup, you know. I feel like my face is just my natural face, natural look. So I really love the way that it looks. I love the way I apply with my products that I use every single day with my foundations. I mean, my highlight is on point, my blush, my everything. I love it. It's so nice. And I just did a simple little green look, whatever, nothing heavy, nothing crazy. So yeah guys, love it. I love it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go about my business. So I did put this on at 4. I did a little bit late today. Yeah, it was 4 o'clock when I put this makeup on, this foundation. So I will check in with you guys later on, maybe when I come back from the movie. Then I'll give it, I want to give it like 8 hours, because usually I kind of wear my makeup for 8 hours. So I want to give it to 8 hours in a fair shot. So I can't wait guys. I will check in back with you guys later on and give you my final thoughts on this foundation. Guys, I am here in my bathroom and I'm checking in with you guys just a little bit. We are going to be going to the movies soon. So yeah, the makeup is still looking bomb. I have not gotten any oils or anything like that. I'm still looking fresh. At this point, I've had my makeup on for 5 hours. So far so good. I really like, I'm in my bathroom downstairs. But yeah, I'm really loving it. The way it wears, I feel like I have no foundation on or anything like that. So far, so good. See? So yeah, then we're heading out to the movies in a few. So maybe when I get home tonight, before I take off my makeup, I will check in again and let you guys know my final thoughts on it. But so far, I'm loving this guys. So here I am. I just got in from watching the movies from the movie theater. It is 12:48. I am exhausted. I'm so tired. And I just wanted to jump in here real quick and just tell you my final thoughts on the Maybelline Urban Dreams foundation with SPF 50. I think it is a beautiful foundation. As you can see, my face is still looking nice. I'm in the bathroom, my guest bathroom downstairs, but my makeup still looks nice. Of course, now I've had this over for 9 hours, so now it's like oils are coming in, seeping through, but it still looks pretty nice. I feel like if you patch it down, I think it could probably, you know, go a little longer. But yeah, I still have my breakouts here where not that much. But so yeah guys, I really love this foundation. I feel like with a sponge you get natural to light coverage, medium to light coverage, and with a brush you get full coverage. If you want to, you know, layer it twice, you're good to go. So yeah, I really love this foundation. I think it is great for summer. It has SPF in it for those who forget to wear SPF, which is very important for your skin. So yeah, I really think it's an amazing foundation. I love it. Go to your Walmart, Ulta, pick it up and try it out for yourself. So I'm just gonna leave this video here. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna take off my makeup and go to sleep. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and this is my first impressions and a wear test on this foundation, and it's amazing and I love it. So I hope you guys have a good night and God bless you guys.